Hey guys, welcome back to Northern Classics. I'm going to have to right off the bat apologize for everything that I haven't done and I promised over the last couple months. I ran out of time. I've been working my ass off, trying to pay the loans off, trying to make ends meet, and to be honest, this thing's got kind of set on the back burner. Um, with harvest coming up and all that kind of stuff, I got a little tied up playing with other things, and everything's kind of slow going. It's also pretty hot in the shop. We don't have AC in there. We don't have anything in there to cool it down really, and it gets to be quite a heater in there during the summers. So I try to avoid anything hot at all times if I could, and I try to enjoy my summer. You know how it is. We're gonna get back into the videos here right shortly. I have been playing with the bed a little bit here and there. I put together the videos that I do have, and basically what it is just cutting the bed out and adding a little bit of support into the back side of the cab. What I had done is basically created a standalone cab, and then we're gonna add a subframe to the back side of it. It'll kind of strut between, or not strut, but it'll kind of hold between the two bed sides. It'll hold it all together, keep it nice and rigid, and it'll actually create a nice platform to put our wood bed on. I'm going to go low budget wood bed. We're going to find some sort of Home Depot special on wood. We're going to go pretty much as cheap as we can get it looking real good on the low buck, and I'll share with that how I do it with you guys. Any questions, comments, don't be afraid to comment or and subscribe while you're at it, I guess. I'm going to shoot this video off. It's only part one of part two. Like I said again, I apologize for not carrying through on my promise of regular videos, but hey, it's life. Yeah, I guess that's where we're at right now. Enjoy the video and let me know if you need more. Okay, hey guys, welcome back. We are working on the bed today. It's running and driving, so it's time to tackle some of the other stuff that's been kicking on. First thing we got to do is we're going to lift the bed up. We're going to pull the Mustang tank out of the back side of it, and as soon as I get that done, then we'll start cutting the floor out, and as soon as we are done that, I'll start laying down a subfloor. What we're doing with this one is we're going to put some tubs back in it, and we're going to wood bed the rest of it, but I need that subframe in there to keep it rigid. Because it's a unibody, we got to be a little bit more careful, because as soon as that bed moves without the cab, it ends up splitting along the side. So we're going to add a little more rigidity to what it was, and that way, if there is any movement, it's not going to cause any issues in the future. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I lifted the bed a couple inches, about 3 or 4. Nothing up front has gone wrong so far, so we're good there. So now that this is up, we're going to pull the tank out. Cool. Okay, so after a quick look, I should be good to cut right along the side, all the way across. Get rid of the whole bed, everything but the bed sides and the back portion here. That is the structural integrity of the tailgate. This part right here doesn't count for much. There's actually a portion of frame that you can kind of see under here that goes across, and that's what holds everything in place here. And that's what will hold everything nice and steady while we cut everything else out. I'm going to put some support underneath the bed as well. Or underneath the cab, sorry, the back side of the cab. Make sure the cab doesn't move anywhere in the meantime. And yeah, should be good to cut. Hopefully there won't be anything left. And hopefully our bed sides don't move. Which they shouldn't. I don't see why they would.